Hey, welcome to Wednesday. You're going to have a bit of a shorter day, but it's going to serve as a really good review for your journal tomorrow on Thursday. So that would be journal number 2. First off, we're going to go over the learning targets that you can describe what schooling is like in North Korea, and then you can review and prepare for journal number 2, which is about school life in South Korea. More on that in a little bit. So we go back. You got your warm-up, which is how would you describe schooling in South Korea to someone who doesn't know anything about the subject? So pretend like you're talking to a parent or someone who is not in this class, and just kind of what are the words you would use to describe Korean South education or South Korean education? Rough. Anyway, moving on. You go to school in North Korea. It's a quick little 3-minute video, and after watching the video, type 3 things that you learned or surprised you about schooling in North Korea. So I think this should have to be said, but definitely no nothings. I mean, if you are not surprised by anything, write some things that you learned. Pretty easy to do. When you're done with that, you have a Schooling in the Koreas review. It is 8 questions long, and it is definitely designed to help you prepare for tomorrow. So just kind of reviewing the facts that we've learned both today, yesterday, and Monday. So there is your day. Once again, it's really pretty short one, but important because it'll get you all prepared for that. So I'm going to